Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to stop background apps in Windows 11 boost speed and performance. If your computer feels slow or unresponsive, it might be because too many apps are running in the background. These background programs can consume memory and processing power, affecting your system performance. By closing unnecessary apps, you can make your Windows 11 PC run faster and smoother. First, click on the down arrow on the taskbar of your PC. Then, open the Google Chrome browser. Right-click on it, and you will see that it is running in the background. Now, select Exit to remove this app from the background. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up options. The Task Manager will open. This will show you all the apps running in the background. Scroll down to see all the apps. There is the End Task option in the top right side. To stop any app, right-click on it and select the End Task option. This will be removed from the running apps. You can also remove other apps that are running in the background to boost the speed and performance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.